Velkommen til Holmestrand. We want to show you the future of aluminium recycling.
With this project, we will increase the scrap intake by 22,000 tons per year and reduce the CO2 emissions by 150,000 tons per year.
Norway's biggest recycling hub is building a new furnace, but production doesn't stop. Construction and operations run side by side. It's a massive task, and it takes a massive effort from the Holmestrand team. But they know it's worth it. The G3 furnace is the final step in transforming the cast house towards 100% recycling. Now, let us show you the progress, step by step.
We have a new state-of-the-art filtration system with a capacity of 176,000 cubic meters an hour. And it will serve the melting furnace, holding furnace, preheating chamber and the storage area.
With the building behind us here, which is totally new, we will get great new advantages. We can buy a lot of different scrap types and larger volumes. We will have 12 new bins and 1,500 tons capacity.
As you can see, the old furnace is still running, while Speira is building the new one right here. This used to be the material storage area. The pit for the new furnace is already completed, with large amounts of earth moved by excavators. Soon, construction of the above-ground furnace structure will begin. Later, the preheating furnace will be built over there, where the material is warmed before melting. And in the back, a loading machine will be installed to feed the furnace.
The new furnace will be commissioned in the third quarter of next year. For decades, Holmestrand has moved forward step by step.
This is a major step forward and a true team effort here in Holmestrand.
Speira, building a circular world that works.